Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to track your Cash App card. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. You'll be taken to the home screen as shown here. Next, tap the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account's profile section where you'll find various settings and options to manage your account. Scroll down until you reach a section with options like Family, Limits, and Support. Tap on Support option. Wait a moment for the page to load completely. Please make sure to follow each step carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once the support page loads, you'll see several categories related to different features of the app. From these, tap on Cash App Card. You'll then be taken to a new page with more specific options. Tap on Getting Your Card. Here you'll see sections such as Getting Started with your Cash App Card, among others. Look for and tap the option labeled Card Delivery. As shown here, Cash App states that card delivery typically takes up to 14 business days after your request. Take a moment to read through the information provided about delivery times. Then scroll down and tap on Contact Us. Under this section, choose the Chat Us option. This will bring you to a page where you can reach out to Cash App support. You'll have the option to chat with them and even schedule a convenient time for a response. Type a clear message in the text box describing the issue you're facing, just like I'm doing here. You can also copy this if it fits your situation. Once done, tap the Send button. And that's it. That's how you track your Cash App card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.